Anurag was saying that this has a very mass sort of a sensibility to it, I was really intrigued by how will I do mass.
And I don't take references from a film. Like some people do that. When they get a character, they want to watch a lot of film. But I would want to watch documentaries, or I would want to watch real people.
Art is also very personal. So जो आपके अंदर से आए वो art है. But I really enjoyed doing this show because it's the first time I have been part of a setup like this और उसमें dialogue बाजी थी. तो वो करने में मजा काफी आया.
I think instinctively I felt I should do it when the script came to me because I have been looking for this.
Otherwise, I'm always looking up to him. Oh, Anurag Kashyap.
He's also very cute.
Hello everyone, welcome to OTT Play Showreel. I'm Aishwarya and I think I can say 30 साल बाद करण अर्जुन वापस आ गए हैं. But it's not Shahrukh and Salman but two Gulshan Devayas in Bad Cop. So welcome to OTT Play. It's so exciting to see you.
What a
Thank
banging
you.
intro.
What
Thank
an
you. And
intro,
you said
yeah.
you were nervous. Thank God.
Yeah, but I watched 2 episodes and there
What
is
did you think? What did you think? What did you think?
I'll say it later, but there is a line which intrigued me. It's like Bhag Arjun, which is something which has become iconic because Salman says in the film in Karan Arjun. So when you read it, did you have that? No, you
I
didn't
didn't remember
remember.
this. It was written Bhag Arjun dialogue लिखा था और ऐसे
No,
चिल्ला
the
के बोल
moment
दो
you
ऐसे.
said, and it's a, I mean, obviously it's a.
Now
you
I
will
remember.
see it.
मुझे अभी याद आ रहा है. करते हुए बिल्कुल याद
करते
नहीं आया.
नहीं यार.
लेकिन नाम को लेके
Same तो
काफी
नहीं बोला है
चर्चा.
ना?
So you know with the name, no, they contemplated changing the name. So there I was like, no, please, हाथ पैर जो करना था, इसको फोन, उसको फोन, नहीं, करण अर्जुन ही रखने दो. Because that recall is like, it pop culture है अपना.
Iconic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you, so what was your thought when you actually like you're playing twins, you're playing brothers who are poles apart from each other, and they are named Karan Arjun. Like, what was your reaction when
I was
this
totally
was a
kicked
template
about
given to you?
I was totally kicked about it, and yesterday Anurag was saying that this has a very mass sort of a sensibility to it. I was really intrigued by how will I do mass, and I had worked with Aditya before also on Commando 3, so I know I'm familiar with how he kind of shoots and what he's trying to. How he's very clear that he wants to make something which is cool and stylish and entertaining. So, but the question now is how will I sort of make it my own? So, and that seemed like a really fun process. And of course, I had many other references also, like a bit of the plot line also reminded me of Hum Dono, and a little bit of Dawn, and all of those things. But yeah, but they were just early references, and they're not really there as references in the thing. But ये सब याद है जरूर.
So, I mean, do you also have some, you know, when you're in a role, specific roles given a character, do you also have some Bollywood references sometimes when it's given to you? Do you also get a recall value, ये कहीं देखा है या ऐसा कहीं सोचा है and everything?
What I do is, if there a reference comes in on my mind, I focus on कि मैं उस पर ध्यान ना दूँ. Because then otherwise it's not going to be fresh, it's not going to be something new. So I would like not to do that, and I don't take references from a film. Like some people do that. When they get a character, they want to watch a lot of film. But I would want to watch documentaries, or I would want to watch real people. And one thing which I religiously do when I get a script beforehand, I walk on the street for a long time to see people and to really see how they behave. So from यहाँ से कुछ चुराया, यहाँ से कुछ चुराया, किसी का behavior यहाँ से चुराया, and then I start working. Yeah, so that's what I majorly do. So I don't take any references. If that by chance comes और कोई मेरे को director बोल देते हैं कि वो reference, तो मैं बंद कर देता हूँ उसको, switch off करने की कोशिश
But I
करता हूँ.
think it's very individually taken. Individually, I would approach it as if I can watch it, but like how for this one, as a con artist, I was just watching before this script came to me. I was watching Focus of Margot Robbie and Will Smith. So that kind of helped me give a perspective. But like Sir said, he kind of definitely ignores that part. But I kind of just take it as not as a reference, but just to have an idea how it can be more interesting and how we can just make it, you know, add something from it and to have like more, to make it more interesting overall. So I think it kind of helps me individually. So I think it's interesting.
Yeah.
I think I follow the actor's truth.
Wow.
I
तू
also
इधर आ जा.
don't like I don't like references because
They
even I
wanted to
like to
break
give
it.
it a fresh take. व्हाट्स द पॉइंट जो देखा हुआ है वही वापस करने में. So I think art is also very personal. So जो आपके अंदर से आए वो art है. But I really enjoyed doing this show because it's the first time I've been part of a setup like this और उसमें dialogue बाजी थी. तो वो करने में मज़ा काफ़ी आया. और ये तो काफ़ी entertaining है ही.
On set also.
देखो
On
मेरा
set.
मेरा नाम सिर्फ नाम करण अर्जुन है, वो फिल्म का कोई रेफरेंस
Yeah.
नहीं है.
हाँ उसका
कुछ
कोई
नहीं
नहीं है.
definitely.
There is
उसको
no
लेके मैं
reference
एक्साइट
from-
हुआ था, मतलब एक हफ्ता भर हाँ करण अर्जुन करण अर्जुन करण अर्जुन. And as I said ना, there was a brief period where they were considering changing the names.
Yeah, you remember workshop में we were
हाँ,
discussing.
I was like, नहीं,
we
नहीं,
were
नहीं,
like,
ये मत करो.
yeah, we took a stand. We said नहीं, हमें तो करण अर्जुन ही चाहिए.
I think some characters have got changed, by the way. I don't know if I'm
Yours?
supposed. No, not mine.
नहीं नहीं वो कस्बे went through many
कस्बे went
many
Yeah,
through
some
many
other
natures.
name was given and then now it's something else. So yeah.
कस्बे.
So I mean, the cop drama is something which is something which we have been seeing over the time in this, and you know, like you said, the reference and everything. But sometimes when it's an adapted screenplay, it becomes tricky. But not in this case, I'll tell, because I had no idea from where it was adapted and everything, and I'm sure not a lot of people. So I think
it's actually a German show. So
Yeah.
this is a remake of.
yeah, so that's what, but
which
not
none of us actually watched.
none of us. So even so, that came as a clean slate for you also, right? Ki adapted
Yeah.
hoke bhi it did not affect
Yeah,
in
especially
any
I didn't
way.
watch it specifically because, like, so I don't want to watch something which is adapted because that may stay in your
Yeah,
mind. So
exactly.
it's always
मुझे तो
better to
मुझे-
come up with fresh ideas.
मुझे तो बहुत लेट पता लगा था जब मैं ऑलमोस्ट एंड शूट पे था कि
Yeah.
इस थैंक गॉड आई डिडंट वॉच. I
I
don't
think
want any
Wenzel De
reference.
Silva did adapt it, but the
Yeah.
idea was also to sort of sufficiently root it to where the story is set in and all those things. That's what, from conversations with the director and the good people at Fremantle, so that's what they intended to do it and not make it a sort of a direct adaptation.
Yeah, also because the audience
yeah,
is
but
different.
having said that, like none of us have really watched it,
Yeah.
and I wasn't even aware, same as him, that this is an adaptation or something. तो जब पता चला तो हमने सिर्फ मुंह जलते थे, ठीक है अभी ये स्क्रिप्ट है हमारा इधर है, यही है हमारा सच. वो चाहिए नहीं.
Let's not Google it or know
हमारा सच
anything.
ये है.
Also, the audience
Yeah.
is
गूगल
gonna be
करके देखा
completely
मैंने,
different,
Yeah.
right?
पोस्टर से
Because-
ऐसा. That's it.
Also, I think ऐसे कमर्शियल मास अपील शो में वो नेचुरली हमने इतनी बॉलीवुड फिल्में देखी है कि वो फील तो अपने आप अंदर
हाँ,
है
वो
ही
हमारे
कि-
कल्चर में है तो
हाँ,
हाँ वो जर्मन नहीं है, वो हमारा है,
वो हमारा है
इंडियन है वो.
बॉलीवुड है.
Yeah, you know, Saurabh sir, like I was checking your filmography, and last year you had almost 5 films and series all together, all poles apart, and people can't stop talking, like you're fresh off Animal and everything. So now,
glass.
I remember some comment came for Saurabh sir. इसमें भी, इसमें भी.
Yeah, अनुराग सर said तो इसमें भी है.
अच्छा.
सुजात
नहीं he said no he said
Someone else, someone
he-
comment.
अनुराग
सब
सर said
सबके कमेंट्स पढ़ रहे हैं, देखो याद है उसको.
अनुराग सर said ये सौरभ सचदेवा फेस्टिवल चल रहा है.
So cool.
नहीं मैं
how
सच
do you
बोल-
see
serious-
Black Cop as a part of your, you know, the trajectory? Because now there is no turning back. Because after Animal, even I was searching what are you doing next, and so this is one which is coming next. So how do you see this character, which has, you know, the tehrav and all? You don't talk much, but there's angst in you, which was quite intriguing, and like I'm really looking forward to
Okay,
that.
okay.
So like, how do you see your character, you know, fitting in the bill of what we saw last year with your Haddi or Janeja or Animal and everything?
Yeah. It was difficult for me because I've never connected to these kind of characters which are more about investigating and also about logic.
Yeah.
Right? There is no emotion. The difficulty was finding an emotion side to this. What is he fighting for? What is it that was my discussion with Aditya also when he gave me the script, and I said, I don't see what is he fighting for. Let me find that. And then we were talking about it, and then the writers were discussing with me, and then I found what is an emotion journey. Why will he go for this? क्योंकि अगर सिर्फ मुझे अपने काम के लिए ये करना है तो वो मतलब that is not triggering my as an actor, juice नहीं मिल रहा है मुझे, right? So that was the difficulty for me when I read the script. But then ultimately we started working on that. So and the body language was also to keep it very straight, and I have a habit of being fidgety, picking things, doing something, which also happened in another show which last year I was asked to sit very body straight and poise and all that. So that is very difficult for me. I'm a person who will fidget, who will pick something, who will do. That's my style of acting also. तो वो मेरे लिए difficult था. But and also this was a one of the positive character I got.
Yeah.
A lot of people were saying कि ये positive कब करेंगे? मैंने बोला मैंने मन मर्जियाँ में करा है भाई और भी फिल्मों में किया है. But now that is हाँ
हमारे लिए आप नेगेटिव थे
इसमें इसमें अच्छा very
हमारे
nice.
पीछे पड़े हो ना हम
So in this, yes, I did got the opportunity to play it in a different way from what I've done
Yeah.
with lot of body and costume and all those things.
Also, there's a very nice quirk that he's added in the show, which I want to reveal, but I can't.
You know, Harleen, like you're coming straight from Kohara, in which you were daughter of a cop who it was very intense, and you were a single mother there. Here you're playing the cop, and like you said, there is a dialogue basi and all of that. So, like, how fun it was to have that transition. And even I read that Aditya or Rensil saw you in Kohara, and they considered you for this role. So, tell me about that.
I mean, I'm glad that they considered me for this role. Earlier when they came to me, I was very skeptical about playing it actually. But then in the middle of the shoot, while I was in it, I realized that I'm so glad that I didn't miss this opportunity, I didn't let it pass. It's also very interesting because the first time I'm doing action. Cop to hai, but cop ko as a female, as a female, as an actress, you don't get to do action a lot.
Yeah.
So this was very, very interesting for me to do action. Yeah, it was fun.
And Aishwarya, you were even you have been part of espionage cop dramas, be it
Yeah.
Khaki and Special Ops and this. Like, what is it that you're so attracted to this cop? Like, you want police around?
So I'll go back to my previous show, which was Khaki, which was very contrast to this character what I'm doing. And I think as an actor, you would want to play range. You would want to, like, this is what extremes that I've done. Like the Meeta Devi from Khaki was something completely different, and this was completely different, very glam, like opposite what Meeta was. So now it kind of gave me, in the future maybe it will give me an opportunity to play something in between, because this is because of the contrast that I've played from before and this one. And something that I really liked about this whole character, this Kiki, the character, which is full glam, because I think instinctively I felt I should do it when the script came to me, because I have been looking for this, because after Meeta I got so many scripts which was Usha Devi or some other Devi. So I thought maybe for time being I can avoid that, and I was looking out for if I can get something very different to that. And here we have we have Kiki, and it has so many layers to it, and I'm more than happy to play it, so looking forward to it.
And for both of you, how was it having Anurag Kashyap as a co-actor when he has directed you both of you before? Yeah, and having him as a co-actor, that's quite interesting.
I'm
We
having
are
him
the
as a
lucky
co-actor.
ones. We are the lucky
Again,
ones.
I was
Again,
in
yeah,
Huddy
after
also.
Huddy also,
I was in-
yeah.
Next season.
Though yeah, it was interesting when his name was there. I was like, wow, he's become a family now. He's become like everywhere. I'm going to be with him. ऐसा लग रहा है. Because I've done a lot of work with him, definitely. So and he's actually he's the person जिसने मेरे को Sacred Game में लिया, and because of him I was in the Sacred Game, and so I always respect him around me, and I always liked his energy. We've been friends. So मेरे लिए तो it was a pleasant surprise. I was like, wow, good, I like it. Yeah.
See, he got started with Anurag, Sacred Games, his first opportunity.
You-
My first opportunity was given by Anurag, That Girl in
That-
Yellow
yeah.
Boots. So it's just, and I've known him since 2008, and he used to be married to my friend. Now me and he are both friends with Kalki. So I had never really spent time talking to him. We never hung out, even though we were all he was married to my friend and all that. He's such a man consumed by what he is doing, and for the first time ever in all these years that I've known him, I actually hung out with him. We sat, we chatted because he's not a director ना, so he has nothing to do now. In between takes, हाँ, वो set पे बैठे रहते हैं. तो इधर उधर की बातें करते हैं. So I really enjoyed that.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah,
doing. Not everything was small talk, but then I had never had these moments with him. So I got to do that for like 5-6 days. So I really enjoyed that. And it's a nice moment for me because from him giving me the first opportunity and then us sort of like, you know, being co-actors and colleagues now, because he was always my senior and looked at him with respect and a sense of gratitude. But here I think, you know, I feel like he made me like feel like we are equals and all of those things like that. At that point of time I accepted it, but of course he will always be my senior. So.
और मेरे को तो हमेशा लगता था he is going to take my responsibility. Now in here when we're shooting together we are taking each other's responsibility. That is where we draw. We are balanced in a way कि actor है अब मेरे को उसकी responsibility है उनको मेरे को लेनी है. Otherwise I'm always looking up to him. Oh, Anurag Kashyap.
He is also very cute. He is very cute.
Yeah, that's true. The way he talks, the way he just he's very right when he say like even in this one we got some time to just like spend some time. He had this aura where he's very chill, how I've seen him from like I've never had an opportunity like these people to work with him. Looking forward to it, sir. Me and Harleen, we both of us. But he has this very good aura about him, and it's very easy to talk to him. Yeah.
You know, now it's been 4 years since, you know, the OTT has become the boom that it is. It has boosted careers. It has created content that has never been seen before, and every week, every month there is a lot of content which keeps on coming and it's never stopping. But as an artist or as a viewer also, does it create any kind of concern, or that probably with the, you know, the quality, with the quantity, the quality might be questioned over the time, or does that there is a fear? Do you have as a fear as an artist or as a viewer also if you watch it or something?
I have that fear. I've always had that fear that it should not become khichdi कि सब कुछ हो रहा है, सब जल्दी लोग बना रहे हैं. Like it should not become another TV in a way. True. So I always thought that good content was coming, now too much is coming, what to watch, and सब एक दूसरे की copy mirror image लग रहे हैं. So that's always is now also my concern. It is. I feel that should not happen. और भी channel खुलते जा रहे हैं, और भी चीजें आ रही हैं. Then where to go? And then the concentration span is going down of viewers, and 15 minute उनको टिका के रखना पड़ता है to see पूरा series. That those 10-15 minutes is so crucial now. We have to bombard that, and वहाँ पे blast होना चाहिए, वहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा scene होना चाहिए जो audience को ऐसे रोके. Otherwise they have the power to share. Which is a good power, which everyone should have, but इतना खराब ना हो जाए कि हम ऐसे switch ही करते रहें. That's what my concern is.
When something is really becoming really popular, it is tend to be diluted a little bit. So we will go through this process because trends are being set, and then people will follow those trends and all of those things. So ये तो होगा ही है. I will not really complain about it, but this is something that we all, after a bit of experience, you expect such things to happen anyways, and then you have to try and see how you are going to navigate this. I mean, if it's going to be that's how it's going to be. How are you going to navigate these trends? Will you embrace it, or will you try and step aside and try and like, you know, do something else and try and be a trendsetter instead? Try and being the key thing. You never really know. So that's how I see it, and the more and more people have access to internet, the bigger the audience that we'll have. And then, like he pointed out, with television, which was something which was unaffordable for many people, so there was a certain quality to the writing and the shows. And then when it just became a mass entertainer, then I guess it had to appeal to a wider range of people. So there will be a different sort of different perspectives will be there, which will be simpler to understand, and consumption is very different. So I guess there are lots of, like, even I was going through some data that the people usually have, and they consider certain things to be premium content, certain to be like non-premium mass appeal sort of a thing. So there is going to be a lot of variety, and I feel that we have to kind of maybe it will settle down somewhere and it will just find some sort of equilibrium or saturation. But I think right now it's oscillating a little bit.
Yeah, I wish
There's
that if
something
that can
for
happen.
everyone
Yeah.
on this.
Yeah, definitely. I have come from
Yeah, it's
OTT
given
and
all
this
of
has
us,
given-
a lot of
given-
us the opportunity
Definitely,
to
yeah.
has given us
shine in
the-
our own ways, and as actors we have the choice. हर तरीके का काम हो रहा है तो हमें किस तरीके का काम करना है वो choice भी है. Not just with us, I think with all freelancers, artists, you know,
Yeah, yeah.
writers,
It
directors.
has given a lot of work to a
कितना-
lot of people
yeah,
around.
कितनी opportunity है,
which
you know.
is very beautiful.
At one point,
Just the fear is the content should not go like कुछ भी होने लगे.
Yeah,
That-
we have to
really
stand out.
Yeah.
Whatever you basically.
little mindful of that. Otherwise, it's given a lot of opportunity to the crew member, to actors, to people who are working day and night. So, yeah.
And the audiences are content hungry now. They're intelligent enough, they know what to watch. So you definitely have to stand out with what you're producing, what you're creating, and I think that kind of works eventually.
Thank you so much. It was
Thank
great
you.
talking to you. All the best. I don't know
you.
when
Thank
is
you,
it
Ashwini.
releasing, so let's.
21st June.
21st of June.
We can say 21st June on Hotstar.
Disney Plus Hotstar.
Yay!
Looking forward.
Yeah. All the best. Thank
Thanks,
you so much.
Thank you.